My name is Rob Avis, and my husband and I run Verge Permaculture and Adaptive Habitat. This is an extended 3-season passive solar greenhouse in our backyard, basically in Calgary, Alberta. And I use this greenhouse to supplement and nearly supply our family in greens and tomatoes and cucumbers and really just things we like to eat for about 8 to 9 months out of the year. The greenhouse provides more than just a space for growing food in the shoulder season. So, in addition to extending how much food we can grow, it's just a great overall place to hang out, especially in the spring and in the fall. Greenhouse growing, however, I've found is far more challenging than gardening outside. I definitely find that there's more considerations and more challenges and probably more effort that has to go into greenhouse gardening just to keep it as healthy and as productive as you would outside.
I love to come pick the food with my brother.
And what kind of food do you guys pick while you're in here?
Sometimes tomatoes, sometimes peas, and sometimes we put up carrots or beets.